Hello friends, welcome to our channel. Today's story is The Thirsty Crow. It's a great way to learn new vocabulary, practice storytelling, and understand the power of determination and problem solving. So, let's listen to the story first, then I will guide you on how it can help improve your spoken English skills. First, let's read the story. The story's title is The Thirsty Crow. One hot summer day, a crow was feeling extremely thirsty. He flew over fields and trees looking for water, but he would not find any. Finally, he saw a small pot with a little bit of water at the bottom. The crow eagerly tried to drink it, but his beak could not reach the water. The clever crow thought for a moment and then came up with an idea. He started picking up small pebbles and dropping them into the pot. One by one, as he added more pebbles, the water level slowly rose until it was high enough for Crow to drink. He drank the water and flew away happily, refreshed and satisfied. Moral: where there was a will, there was a way. So now, from the story, let's see some keywords. Thirsty, fields, pebbles, rich, clever, refreshed. These words describe feelings, actions, and qualities. Now, try saying each word louder and using them in sentences. Expanding your vocabulary is key to effective communication. Even you can practice the crow's determination, like where there was a will, there was a way. Repeat this phrase. It's an expression about finding solutions. Practice saying it with confidence. Speaking with expression helps make your English sound more natural. Even you can retell the story in your own words to improve your fluency. After listening, try retelling the story. Focus on describing the crow's cleverness and actions. Story retelling is an excellent way to practice fluency. Dear learners, now tell me, what can we learn from the crow's determination? Let's see. This story shows us that determination can lead to solutions. Practice discussing the morals to improve your ability to share ideas in English. To more practice, you can describe the crow like clever, determined, and resourceful. Dear learners, the crow has qualities like determination and cleverness. Practicing character descriptions helps you talk about personalities traits in English. Today, you can practice retelling the story and using the vocabulary you learned. Dear learners, thank you for listening to The Thirsty Crow. Try retelling it to practice your fluency and build confidence in speaking English. Same time, we need your extreme support too. So please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more stories that help with spoken English.